Hi foodies, Chill Brown Vegan here. I don't know about you guys, but lately I have been craving some chili. Hard. I know what you're gonna say. Chili? It's summer, it's hot, it's humid. Chili is for the winter and the fall months. But hear me out, okay? The stomach wants what the stomach wants, and what the stomach wants, the stomach gets. The good thing about chili is it's easy to make and it's easy to veganize, so I figured, why not show you how I make mine? Come on, it's too delicious not to try, right? Chili is definitely a big comfort food of mine, and with the state of the world right now, I think we could all use a little bit of comfort in a bowl. Comfortable? Comfortable. So, let's get started. 1 to 2 bell peppers, some mushrooms, a red or a white onion, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, hey, your choice, some tomato paste, diced tomatoes, fire roasted or stewed tomatoes, red kidney beans, black beans, and chili beans. I use pinto. 2 stalks of celery, some vegetable broth. Heat up your pan and add your oil of choice. Then you're going to toss in your bell pepper and onion, and you're going to saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want it to get too soft though. Then you're going to add in your chopped up celery, and you're going to saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes just to soften it up just slightly. And then you'll add in the mushrooms that are chopped and cleaned, of course. And you know the drill, you're going to saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to add in your diced tomatoes and your fire roasted tomatoes and give it a good stir. You're going to want to keep checking on it and stirring it occasionally. As you can see, it's starting to cook down. All the juices are starting to come out. Then you want to add in your rinsed and drained beans. You want to rinse and drain the beans, but not the chili beans, because you want to have that sauce that's going to help out with the flavor. Then you want to add in your seasonings, which I will provide for you down in the description box below. And make sure everything is nice and stirred and combined. Here's where you can get a little bit creative. So I decided to add in some Cajun seasoning, a little bit of liquid smoke, since it is meat free, and some maple syrup. Usually I would use some brown sugar, but for some reason I couldn't find it, so maple syrup it was. It worked. And then if you do want to add some more heat to it, make sure you throw in some red pepper flakes. Be generous with it. Oh, and I almost forgot, put in the tomato paste. You can put that in when you put in the diced and stewed tomatoes. Make sure you give that a stir and put in the 1 cup of veggie broth as well. Don't forget that, because the tomato paste will thicken it up. Give it all a stir, and then you want to turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes covered. Wow, look at that. Doesn't it just look so delicious? I put a little bit of vegan Parmesan and some nutritional yeast on top of this. Smells so good too. I cannot wait to dig into this. All right, first bite. Here goes. This really hits the spot. And as you can see, I like my chili to be really chunky. I do not like it on the watery side. And this is just so warm and comforting. It's like a nice warm hug in your belly. I usually like to eat my chili over rice. How about you? Let me know down in the comments. Last year we had a chili cook-off at my job, and I actually beat out 10 other chilies. And most of them were not vegan, so when I tell you this is good, this is really, really good. In fact, Father's Day was this past weekend, and my family had a small gathering, and I brought the chili. And like I said, this is some good stuff, but don't take my word for it.
No, as you can see, I have meat on my plate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I am. I am not.
Since January. Since June 1st.
7 months.
I can taste all these different like beans, and it's just very hearty.
Yes, I like it.
Absolutely delicious. I would make it myself. It's actually really good. And I wanted to hate on it, but it is good.
It's delicious. It tastes like regular chili.
It is incredible. It's got a little heat to it, and it's savory. I can taste the vegetables, and it all comes together like a kaleidoscope in my mouth.
You go make this, I'm gonna go eat this, and before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. I post videos every Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!